Richie Rich is a kid born with silver spoon, whereas Adam, on the other hand, was born without even a spoon. As a friend, Richie offered a 4 feet by 6 feet of corner space in his bachelor's pad. After hearing this, Adam got too excited and started jumping on the bed. After seeing this, Richie got offended and shrank the space to 3 feet by 6 feet. Here's the tour of Adam's humble palace. First, rip out the side table and that pendant light. We need space for big dreams, not distractions. A 3-foot ledge for a bed, because Adam's budget doesn't allow for spacious luxury. Under the bed, storage, divided into 4 sections because, well, who has a lot of stuff when you're living the minimalist life? Above, a cupboard with 2 shelves for Adam's high fashion, which, let's be real, is just a couple of outfits. Half the cupboard's still empty. And for that extra glam, a pull-out mirror for Adam to admire how good he looks, even if his wardrobe is limited. The bed, it folds. Why? Because Adam's a genius who needs space for homework. Yes, study desk goes on top of the ledge because he's poor but an absolute was at studies. If you think Adam's room is a masterpiece, hit that like button, share this video, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Want to hear about Lucas or Emma's stories? Click left or right. Your pick.